Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install IDE software for your PC, Mac, Android or Linux operating system. I will show you how to download it and also show you how to install it into our PC. So without wasting time, go to our browser and search here IDE and open the first one website. That's name is hex-raise.com, and IDE is the interactive disassembler. Is a disassembler for computer software which generate assembly language source code for machine executable code. This is the overview of the software. You can check out here. Open this website and IDE freeware, the free binary code analysis tool to kickstart your reverse engineering experience. Okay, this is for this purpose, the free solution. This is the overview and the specification and all the about this software available here. You can check out. And IDE free minimum system requirement for Mac operating system, requirement minimum Linux, you can check out here, and Windows, you can check here the requirements minimum. So download your IDE free. If you want to download free IDE software, IDE free for Windows, Linux, Mac operating system, for Mac ARM. Okay, check out here and which one IDE is the best for you. Okay, IDE Teams, more info, and IDE Pro for more info. I will check here. So IDE Pro, a powerful disassembler and a versatile debugger, and everything of the overview of the software is given here for Pro variant. And in the end we will check out the pricing of the software. This page requires you to log in. Okay, we will first log in and create account. That we will check out IDE free or demo for x86, x64 and download it. x64 for Windows, download here, and you can check out 100 MB setup has been started. So it has been started to be download, and after this download we will try to install it into our PC in this way. So check some SH1 you can here, and you can check out the differences of the different edition. Okay, here, and everything of the software and overview of the freeware is available here. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you are new on the channel, please subscribe to my channel.